Hello everybody! Today we are going to find out 5 great ways to calm down headaches and migraines in a natural way. Headache is a problem that affects many people and can have different causes, as it can be located in different parts of the skull. Some simple techniques can help us to get rid of the headache in a few minutes. We specify that in case of chronic headache, it is good to contact an expert to go and investigate the underlying cause, then working on that to eliminate even the annoying symptoms. If, on the other hand, you are faced with sporadic headaches, undoubtedly they can help as well as the classic natural remedies or food with anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving power, even simple techniques that it is good to know to be able to use them as needed. In case your headache is particularly localized in some specific points, you can experiment with simple massages or pressures useful to relax the painful parts. In fact, pain can appear not only with different intensities but also in different areas of the head. Number 1. For headache behind the eyes. This is probably the most frequent type of headache, often due to an accumulation of phlegm or a real sinusitis. In this case, you can try to apply pressure to the base of the forehead at the end of the eyebrows on both sides. The push must be gentle but deep and last about 20-30 seconds, in case of repeating it several times or at more times of the day. Number 2. For skull-based headache. If the pain is localized instead at the base of the skull, you can try to rest both hands on the area by gently massaging the occiput with circular movements by exerting light pressure for a few minutes. These are often nervousness and stress headaches. Number 3. For headaches on temples. In case you suffer from headaches with pain in the temples, you can try to gently massage the 2 dimples that you find on the sides of the skulls. Also, in this case, it is necessary to make slow and circular movements for a few minutes. Number 4. Breathe only from the left nostril. For all types of headache, you can try then experience the breathing that comes from yoga practice. When the headache occurs, try to close the right nostril and to breathe deeply for a few moments only with the left nostril. Inhale and exhale only from the left nostril. Breathing can undoubtedly help a lot in case of headaches. The School of Breathe offers this simple scheme. Number 5. Breathing exercise. Eyes closed, straight with the back, but relaxed. 4 normal breath, a little wider than normal. 1 full. 4 normal breaths, a little wider than normal. 1 full. Again 4 normal breaths, a little wider than normal. 1 full. One more time, 4 normal breaths, a little wider than normal. And the last one, full. If you want, you can stay a few seconds with your eyes closed to enjoy the sensations. And thanks for watching! See you on the next video, and if you liked this one, please consider to subscribe our channel.